Kung gusto mo yumaman, aalis ka sa comfort zone mo. Tatandaan mo to. Yung ikayayaman mo, wala sa harapan ng computer yan. Yung ikayayaman mo, wala sa sala yan. Nasa labas. In fact, the things that would make you successful are on the other side of your comfort. It is beside maximum pain. Kaya, ngayon 2026 dapat ang goal mo, humanap ka ng pinakakinakatakot mong gawin at gawin mo. You make that your mission. Mas nakakatakot, mas mag-grow ka. This applies in life, in business. Kapag ginagawa mo kung saan ka hindi komportable, that is where the magic happens. And this is a core belief of mine. Sabi ko nga, the magic that you have been looking for all this time is in the work you are avoiding. Lahat ng mga bagay na takot kang gawin at hindi mo ginagawa at iniiwasan mo, andyan yung tagumpay. So sana ngayon taon, yakapin mo ang sakit and you make that a mantra of your life and magugulat ka. What is painful becomes comfort. What was scary now becomes common practice para sa'yo. Do that a couple of times and you will unleash your maximum potential.